There's a fire burning inside you. You may not see it, you may not feel it, but it's there. It's been there since the day you took your first breath. That spark of life, that ember of purpose, that whisper that says, you are made for more. Through the silence, through the storms, through every fall, it never died, it flickered, it dimmed, but it never gave up on you. Because you are not here by accident. You carry something the world needs, a strength, a story, a fire. Life will try to smother that fire. Failures will pour water on it. People will walk away, leaving you cold. Your own mind will question your worth, your path, your purpose. But the fire within you doesn't wait for permission. It doesn't need approval. It doesn't quit. That fire is your drive, your passion, your why. And if you stop running from the world's noise and just listen, you'll hear it roar again. You've been through things that would have broken others, but you didn't stay broken. You bent, but you didn't break. You fell, but you rose again. Why? Because the fire within you said, not yet. Your story isn't over. That job you lost, it taught you. That heartbreak, it opened you. That failure, it refined you. That fear, it tried to define you, but it didn't win. You did. You are still here, still breathing, still fighting. And that is enough reason to keep going. Think of a phoenix. Ashes all around, darkness, silence. Then, from the stillness, rises flame, wings, power, rebirth. That's not a myth. That's you. Every time life knocks you down, you rise stronger because your fire isn't fueled by ease, it's fueled by purpose. And purpose doesn't come from comfort, it comes from struggle, from crawling through the dirt, from battling your demons, from walking through fire and realizing you were fire all along. So don't wait. Don't wait for perfect timing. Don't wait for the fear to disappear. Don't wait for permission to chase what sets your soul on fire. This life, it's not a rehearsal. You don't get a second act. You get this one, right here, right now. So light it up. Wake up early, work late, dream loud, speak boldly, act without apology. Because no one else can do what you were born to do. No one else has your fire. There will be days when it's hard. Days when the fire feels faint. When doubt wraps around your chest and whispers, maybe you're not enough. But even in your weakest moment, when your legs shake, when your heart breaks, when your hope fades, that tiny flame still flickers. Let the world feel your heat. Let your dreams burn so brightly they can't be ignored. Let your passion light a path for others still trapped in the dark. You were not born to live a quiet, ordinary life. You were born to burn with brilliance, to shine with fire, to live like a warrior. And when they ask how you kept going, tell them there was a fire within me and I refuse to let it die. So rise, run, break the chains, burn the limits, leave behind the ashes of your doubt. And let the world witness what happens when a soul on fire refuses to be extinguished. Because no matter how dark the night gets, no matter how cold the world may be, there will always be light as long as you carry the fire within you.